The sun is shining, a breeze is a blowing, birds are creeping, flowers are blooming. Oh, what a happy day! Who's that? It's Sheru with his ship. Sheru doesn't look happy. What's wrong, Sheru? I don't like my job. Every day it's the same. Take the ship, go to the hill, and sit there all day. I get so bored. Why don't you play the flute? I don't like music. Why don't you read a book? I don't like to read. I want to have fun. Today I am going to have fun. Just see what I do. Help, help, wolf, wolf. The wolf is taking my ship away. Please help, please help. Don't worry, Sheru. We shall drive the wolf away. Where's the wolf? Ha ha ha. There's no wolf. I was shouting just for fun. You silly boy, this is enough fun. Don't do it again. Sheru, Sheru, don't be silly. Don't be cry wolf for fun. How I tricked the men. Ha ha ha. How I fooled them. Ha ha ha. I want to do it again. Oh, ah. Wolf, wolf, help, help. The wolf is taking my ship away. Please come, please help. Wolf, wolf. What happened? Where's the wolf? Ha ha ha. There's ha ha ha. Fooled you again. There's no wolf, but it's so much fun. Ha ha ha. You stupid boy. We won't listen to you again. We won't come again, even if you cry. The men are angry. They won't listen. Sheru again. Even if Sheru cry, they won't come again. What was this? Ariel's wolf. Ariel, big bad wolf. Now what will Sheru do? Oh no, wolf! Go away, wolf! Don't come near! Don't touch my ship! Help! Help! Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is taking my ship away! Help! Help! Listen to Sheru now. No one lives here. My ship! My ship! Oh no! I am sorry. I am so very sorry. I shall never cry wolf for fun again. Sheru has learned a rule and